All right, YouTubers, it's your guy once again. Uh, Back with you with another PC Basics tutorial. This is part two. Starting off with PC Basics, Computer Basics. So today I just want to go over some internet basics with you. Um, just some basic things, setting up your home screen and things of that nature. So I don't know what browser you use. I can show you how to do it on Google Chrome, um, also Microsoft Edge, depending on. But let's start off with Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, all you gotta do is go if you got it here on your desktop, which I do, or if not, you can type Google Chrome down here and pull it up. So I'm gonna open up my browser here, and you see I already have my screen set home screen. I got my home button to Google. So the way I did that is you want to go over here to these three little dots on the right side where it says customize and control Google Chrome, and left click on that to open it up. You go down to settings. Okay, and here's your settings. And then you want to go all the way down here on the left side. You see in this category, this menu here where you see on startup. So left click on startup. And in here, you see what I got highlighted is open a specific page or set of pages. And I got it set to google.com. Now, if I want to change that, I got this selected. So I can edit here and I can change it to HTTP. Wait a minute here, HTTPS www. Say I want to make Bing my homepage, bing.com. Okay, and just click save here. Now I'm gonna close this, and next time when I open my browser, wow, now see Bing is my home page. Now also, a lot of you might be wondering, how do I get this home icon? So for that, same thing, click on these three dots here, go down to settings, and where you want to go is right here where it says appearance, and you see where it says show home button custom. I got that selected. I got it to the right here. Now if you want to disable it, just do like that and see how the home button up here disappears. I don't want that, so if you want to enable it, go back, click on it, and there goes your home button again. All right, folks, so that's how you do that in Google Chrome. Now I don't know if you use Edge. I'm not a fan of Microsoft Edge, but in Edge, it's similar. Like I said, I don't like Microsoft Edge. Supposedly, Edge has replaced Internet Explorer. Some people might like it, but I can show you in Edge. So it's similar. You click on these right here. It's little. This time it's just three dots going horizontal, and you go down to settings. Okay, and similar to Chrome, if you want to make bring the home button back, click appearance, and you go down here, scroll down, and you see where it says home show home button is disabled. So what I want to do, if you want to enable it, just click there, and you see that's where there's the home button. Now, if you want to show, want to make your home page, whatever, being Google MSN, just click here where it says start home and new tabs. So it's a lot similar to Chrome, in the selection process. So you click here where it says open these pages. You want to select that one. Make sure you select the third one, the last one, and then click on add new page. Now I'll set this to MSN, so you can do HTTPS www.msn.com. All right, click add. All right, now you can close this. Watch next time you open Microsoft Edge. There you go. Now you see MSN is your home page. All right, folks, that is all for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to my channel. Like I said, many more to come. I'm going to do another part on some internet basics, go over some more key information for you. And so that is it for now. Once again, if you like this video, feel free to add a like and subscribe to my channel. All right, till next time, folks, be blessed. God bless. Talk to you later.